Welcome to the DIY Testing Tip channel. Our channel brings you fun, meaningful, and helpful videos about our DIY projects and experiments. Today, we'll show you a prime example of an air cooler that can make ice cubes just like ice cream. Watch until the end of the video to see how it works and how easy it is to build one yourself.
Let's explore the refrigeration cycle. The compressor squeezes the refrigerant vapor. The condenser rejects heat to the surroundings. The capillary tube causes a pressure drop. The evaporator
A small note here. Keep away from open flames to prevent fire or explosion. Now I will pump butane gas into the pipeline and accurately measuring the amount of gas so that the system is not overloaded will make it much more efficient. I replaced the thin plastic tubing with a thicker, more pressure-resistant one, so it looks quite sturdy now. This is a simulation video illustrating how freezers and air conditioners work. It helps us understand in the easiest way how cold air is created and ice is formed. What do you think of this video project? Personally, I wouldn't recommend anyone try this, because the video was created by people who have studied and worked with these devices for many years and have years of experience in risk prevention. I predict that after about 30 seconds, it will start to form real ice, making it very cold. I'm sorry the temperature sensor isn't clearly visible on the screen in this video, but it reached 2 degrees Celsius at room temperature. If placed in a sealed box, the temperature could drop to 5 degrees Celsius. What I don't understand is why the copper heatsink has condensation. It should be hot to the touch. What do you think about this? If you found this video interesting and meaningful, please leave a comment, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel to see new videos that will be uploaded soon. Thank you very much. Good luck.